Honey, what's wrong? You seem a bit distant tonight.
Well, I've been thinking, John. I've been contemplating our situation for a while now.
What do you mean, darling? Is something bothering you?
Yes, something is bothering me, John. I've come to realize that there may be better options out there for me.
Better options? What are you talking about, dear?
I mean, John, that perhaps there are better choices for me in terms of companionship.
But I thought we were happy together. We've built a life, a home.
Yes, we have, John. But lately, I've been feeling like there's something missing, like I'm settling for less than I deserve.
Settling? What do you mean by that?
I mean, John, that maybe I deserve someone who understands me better, who appreciates me for who I am.
But I do appreciate you, darling. I love you more than anything in this world.
Love is not enough, John. There needs to be understanding, compatibility, shared goals.
Are you saying I don't understand you? That we don't have shared goals?
No, that's not what I'm saying. But I can't help but feel like there might be someone out there who fits me better.
So, what are you suggesting? That we separate?
I don't know, John. I just know that I need to explore my options. Maybe there's someone out there who can fulfill me in ways you can't.
But I thought we were a team, a partnership. We've been through so much together.
I know, John. And I'll always cherish the memories we've made. But I can't ignore this feeling that there might be better prospects for me out there.
I can't believe you're saying this. After all we've been through.
I'm sorry, John. But I have to be honest with myself. I can't settle for mediocrity when there might be excellence waiting for me.
Mediocrity? Is that what you think of our marriage? That I'm just a mediocre husband?
It's not what I meant, but I can't deny that there might be better options for me out there.
And what if there aren't? What if you leave and realize that I was the best thing that ever happened to you?
I don't know, John. But I have to take that chance. I can't live with the regret of not exploring what else might be out there for me.
Fine. If that's what you want, then go. Explore your options. But just know that I'll always love you, no matter what.
Thank you, John. I hope you understand that this isn't easy for me either, but I have to do what's best for me.
I understand, dear. Just promise me one thing.
What's that?
That you'll think long and hard before making any decisions. And if you ever realize that what you're looking for was right in front of you all along, I'll be here, waiting for you.
I promise, John. Thank you for being so understanding.
It's the least I can do. Now, let's try to get some sleep. We can't talk more about this in the morning.
Okay. Good night, John.
Good night, dear.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.